This is a used 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer, powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, an alarm system. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, traction control, stability control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Phil Long Ford Lincoln Motor City is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1212 Motor City Drive, Colorado Springs, Colorado 80905.